Greetings everybody, this is Jim Ferg from Long Beach Island, New Jersey, and this is a 2016 Sailfish 275 DC. Has a curtain package, PFD storage, sink, refrigerator, boat pole storage, boat brush, undergunnel rod locker. This seat folds out and it's folded down right now. This seat here is folded away. Twin 150 Mercs. You have telescoping ski pole. 4 rod holders in the transom here. Area for all your pliers and knives, and a hose sprayer goes right there. A ladder in the transom. Freshwater shower. Live well. Boat's equipped with a trickle charger. In-floor fish box. Port side seat in its up position, but this has the ability to lay flat or be in a lounging position and watching your spread out back as you troll or pull a water skier. You have a molded cooler here. Under this seat, you have a carry-on cooler and a nice spot to keep your fenders. Captain's chair is in the up position. You have a very nice Garmin display here, 1040 XS. This is not a touchscreen, this is buttons. Merc controls, Lenco trim tabs, standard Horizon VHF, Fusion stereo system, cup holders throughout the boat, windshield wiper, bow seating. There's an in-floor storage locker here, in-floor storage locker here. This one actually has rod holders in it. Give me a second. There's 3 rod holders in there. It's a big area. Very, very, very nice head compartment. Sailfish really hit it out of the park with this design. It's a great, great boat for fishing and family. Your bow area does have a windlass anchor. You don't see it right now, but it is through the stem. You have a table that can go up in the bow. Here's the full view. Once again, this is a 2016 Sailfish 275 DC with twin 150 Mercuries. You can contact me, Jim Ferg, at 609-494-2102. Thank you.